This is the hottest hood in town for old folk. So get your walking stick and dentures ready and let's hobble through Sugamo. Sugamo is located at the top end of the major Yamanote train line. In a time when more and more large commercial interests are creeping into Tokyo, Sugamo remains dedicated to tradition, culture, and warm hospitality, being the town for the people, by the people. Sugamo literally means duck nest. The most common explanation derives from the large pond that used to be here, providing a nesting ground for ducks. Back in the day, this shopping street was the first rest stop of the Nakasendo Highway connecting Tokyo and Kyoto, and prospered as a place of commerce and worship even till today. The main attraction in Sugamo is the Sugamo Jizodori shopping street, also known as the Harajuku for grandmas, and its temples, stalls, and mom-and-pop shops run by very kind shop owners. It is the ultimate hangout spot for the elderly. So what attracts all the old folk into Sugamo? The answer lies with the Jizo god statue enshrined at Koganji Temple inside Jizodori. This temple was originally located in Ueno. The traditional belief is that by washing the part of the statue that corresponds to the area of your body that is ill, will cause the Jizo god to absorb your pain and thereby heal you. All the elderly stop by and queue up inside Koganji Temple for this reason, and it's truly a sight to behold. And by all means, go and give it a try yourself and tell us if it worked. Something that will also strike you odd is the sale of red underwear called akapants. As an Asian tradition, red is an auspicious color, thought to bring health and good luck to everyone. I hear you laugh, but these do sell. You sometimes find someone in there browsing through red underwear to purchase as a gift. So there's a souvenir hint for you. Anyway, that's it for today's short tour. If you need to escape Tokyo's hustle and bustle, definitely visit Sugamo and enjoy life in the slow lane. Feel free to stick around as we go for a walk from one end of the shopping street to the other. Until next time, bye!
I went to the doctor, said I'm crazy. そうするか